Like past some years, one catch your head back, make you go in a the grave. Peshenwengweng. You a run like you see, but me does a beat it like slave. Peshenwengweng. I know Mr. Chin boy, I'ma tell you how this something what me bring us up. Peshenwengweng.
Me gun goes up Peshenwengweng. What's up YouTube? It's some boy Tyrekevlogs aka the reaction boss. I'm back in the fake with another for you. Another for your mother. What shall we get that from my YouTube? My YouTube couple. But anyway, Steve, reaction boss in fully fake. You know chap already, you know that already. Right now I have a song called, I think the song is called Peshenwengweng. You understand me? Artist name Zintos. People don't really call him. People call him man Peshenweng. You understand me? No, you gotta understand now. I'm not in Jamaica, so it's like this been trending for like 3 days in a row now, and I didn't know. Apparently, I didn't know. Shout out to Paradise Bike on my bro. He said, "Yo, we need a Peshenwengweng reaction or whatever." And I'm like, okay, let me check this out. And I see that this dude is going viral all over the internet, and I'm here like, and I you understand me? But let's see what's popping for this right now. Do you understand? You know, you can't when something trending, you can't help but seeing clips of it. So I'm not sure if I saw the full thing. This video is right here is 1 minute and 41 seconds right here. So you know this reaction is gonna be a short, spicy one. But I saw some clips on Instagram. I ain't gonna cap. So let's see what's popping right here. Let's go!
Me gun goes up Peshenwengweng. Like past some years, one catch your head back, make you go in a the grave. Peshenwengweng. You a run like you see, but me does a beat it like slave. Peshenwengweng. I know Mr. Chin boy, I'ma tell you how this something what me bring us up. Peshenwengweng. Hey, do you me evil? Me gun goes up Peshenwengweng. Like past some years, one catch your head back, make you go in a the grave. Peshenwengweng. You a run like you see, but me does a beat it like slave. Peshenwengweng. I know Mr. Chin boy, I'ma tell you how this something what me bring us up. Peshenwengweng. Hey, the way me evil, kill him off for no fucking reason. When me there behind the wheels driving in a vehicle, when me no drive sidewalk.
This me quick, me can't understand that part. I can't understand this part. Look how bro got jumpy.
Hey,
the way evil. No people. Look how bro got jumpy. Then the wolf mask in people. Watch this.
evil.
Right? Man, I name and cut you out and I sing out you out. Now do him thing, you know. And then watch this now, please. Out and loose. This, see, you know. Watch your man face, bam, bam, Jesus Christ. One of them plan this before they do it, or just hop me so the hang. The man jump and say, hey, Batty boy, listen to me there, I do my thing. I love it, Grace. Watch this. Push your face down. I say, bam, bam, clean. You know what I mean? I say, Batty boy. I don't know, but I say, Batty. Like I got the man face just say a while ago. Batty boy. Yo, wala. Oh, watch the DJ for the never know. Read between the lines. Let go!
Hey, the way me evil, kill him off for no fucking reason. When me there behind the wheels driving in a vehicle, when me no drive sidewalk, click down fucking people on a job. Fuck I going in at the ear just like a nigga. See the feds I come calm down, guess what me do? Grenade in my right hand, left hand pulling nigga. I'm a child with time no, but right hand on me can't go reason. So them say me mad, let me take the cock here with the nigga. When the grenade in the ear.
That Wolfman said, oh, people, that brother here give me a fight for money, you know. But what I realize is, when you say the man very lyrical and versatile and bad, a bad artist, you know, when that only thing people are pray at the Peshenwengweng sound effect when I do, you know. You understand me? But the man lyrics actually bad. And the man have a bad look. The man, look, they can't distract the man, dog. Imagine, look at them gimmicks.
The wheels driving in a vehicle. Running a giant sidewalk, click down
And the
fucking
dog
people.
still well composure and still a perform him song, people. Tell me say the man is no bad. Tell me say the man is the goat. The dog still want composure, brother, and say, what a bomb back about we and still perform him song right way, people. Peshenwengweng, boss. Deal with it.
Jack Fata going in at the ear just like a nigga. See the feds are come calm down. Guess what me do? Grenade in my right hand, left hand pulling nigga. I'm a child with time no, but right hand, me can't go reason so them say me mad. Let me take the cock here with the nigga. When the grenade in the ear, be a man a duck. Una ball so them mother the ball them hand and foot, but me pull up. One more grenade, the pussy run back in the truck. Even ask me I do him just floor the gas post. When I do, me just a right under my chin. Me the kaya DJ and then I'm a
little bit.
Yeah, man, a duck. Una ball so them mother the ball them hand and foot, but me pull up. I'm mad. Let me take the cock here with the nigga. When the grenade in the ear, be a man a duck. Una ball so them mother the ball them hand.
Man, like he take the cock here with the nigga. When yo, go on.
And foot, but me pull up. One more grenade, the pussy run back in the truck. Even ask me I do him just floor the gas post. When I do, me just a right under my chin. Me the kaya DJ and the hammer I be ready.
Yeah. Right now, me can't come out and tell me had me locked down over Maxine weed a smoke watching CNN on the flat screen. Them not have no money for body for chicken vaccine. You know the hell them have the $1 billion water vaccine.
Yeah.
Zombie apocalypse right now, no human being walking dead lifestyle. Blah 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 shit. You have to spend like
it's just saying blah 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 shit. That's a blah blah blah. What?
one teeth a real talk, all the difference. Me the pan beat. My dreams to guard the beak a cup. For my van sheet, she say coronavirus. Trump run like thief. More behind the scene, more we no know. Just keep your hands clean. Else I could be
Coronavirus, Trump run like thief. I rate him. But I be showing dog. This is say the man is not just all about the gimmicks and everything. The man actually have him composure and the man are bad artist people. You don't realize though, if I'm lying, I'm dead and I'm not dying. You see me I say? The dog have a bad flow dog, the man dep on the beat, brother. You see me? I don't like them, you see me? I don't like them, you know them one hit wonder they will come out with a one hit and take over the place and in the next like 2-3 months down the line. You know hear about them again. The man for man take music serious dog. But
for my van sheet, she said coronavirus. Trump run like thief. More behind the scene, more we no know. Just keep your hands clean. Else a COVID come from China. She about 19. My cousin come from foreign war. Ugly, me say you're bright to your rank. You sting, she a say you're full of vibes. Me know like vibes cartel mark for my ID. Me unfollow every Chinese girl left on my IG. Cousin come from foreign war. Me the pan beat. My dreams to guard the beak a cup. For my van sheet, she said coronavirus. Trump run like thief. More behind the scene, more we no know. Just keep your hands clean. Else a COVID come from China. She about 19. My cousin come from foreign war. Ugly, me say you're bright to your rank. You sting, she a say you're full of vibes. Me know like vibes cartel mark for my ID. Me unfollow every Chinese girl left on my IG. If you stop that you, boy you eat dog and a drink rat bad soup. No wonder if China got a school, what a fool.
no, we want more dog. John.
Me gun go so Peshenwengweng.
Anyways, I'm trying to lyric for them make for the thing. I tell them that the bag of train on long and I never know that. Throw me in their yard, me know what really I go on. You did me I say. But I want you guys to go follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. You see me, I'm trying to reach 10k followers over there. So run go over Instagram, go follow me right now. No. Like up this video, comment on this video to see your comment next video that I post and I'll post every single day. This is the 4th video I recorded today. I don't know which order I'm gonna post them in, but everything I post today. Check out my other channel at more Tyrekevlogs. I posted a vlog over there also. Like, who do it like me, dog? Buckler, you know what? Peace out.